Okay, so I will be talking about the Lori Loughlin cheating admission scandal. So we chose to talk about the cheating admission scandal because this is a fairly new scandal and controversial topic right now. We also wanted to let our peers know how serious cheating can be and the consequences it has. Most people think that cheating isn't a big deal or won't have certain consequences, but in this scandal, that isn't the case. So on March 12th, Lori Loughlin and several others were charged with crimes of bribery and racketeering for purpose of fraud trying to get their children into college. In order for their children to get into the top U.S. universities, their plans were to allegedly pay a college prep organization to take the SAT or ACT entrance exams on behalf of their children in order for them to receive their correct scores. Lori Loughlin connected with William Rick Singer, a college admissions consultant. Singer promised to secure admissions to the universities for their daughters as recruits for the university's crew team, even though neither participated in the sport, according to prosecutors. Singer would arrange fake athletic profiles for the girls, the feds say, and Loughlin just needed to send them a picture of their daughters. This all happened in California. Lori Loughlin's daughter, Olivia Jade, was all ready to move into her dorm room at the University of Southern California. Olivia Jade, who was a social media influencer, posted a YouTube video of her moving into her college dorm at USC. She reminded her viewers saying, "I don't really care about school, as you guys all know." After people saw this video, people were confused on how she even got into USC in the first place and knew something was not right. So what happened? Loughlin and Giuliani and Singer were all fined and charged up to $200,000 and pleading guilty in court for their actions. They will all have to serve jail or prison time, and they will all have up to 250 hours of community service and supervised release for at least 1 year. So, what educators can learn from this is by not letting your students think cheating is okay or acceptable. Many students often resort to cheating in classrooms, but if you teach your students that cheating is a crime and that it also has many consequences, and we don't want our students thinking that cheating is okay in classrooms or outside of classrooms. Thank you.